How well do you reckon you understand the security needs of your environment? It's a question that might seem daunting, but fear not. Today, we delve into the due diligence process, a series of steps that will help you navigate this labyrinth with ease and confidence. First, we need to break down the environment into individual components. Think of it as a complex puzzle. Each piece plays a significant role. This includes identifying critical business infrastructure and business units, as well as defining their roles and responsibilities. When trying to understand the application architecture, it's beneficial to refer to the Defense in-Depth model. This model provides a multi-layered approach to security, offering a comprehensive defense strategy. The same principle applies when trying to understand communication protocols and network topology. Here we refer to the OSI model, which gives us a detailed look into how data is sent and received over a network. Next, we perform a network discovery scan and a vulnerability scan. These scans help us identify potential weak points in our infrastructure that could be exploited by malicious actors. We must also identify the methods used for authentication, authorization, and accounting. These are crucial elements in controlling access to information and resources within a network. But it doesn't stop there. We then need to identify the currently used controls and examine them closely. This involves looking for best practices like the principle of least privilege, separation of duties, and separation of functions. These practices help ensure that access to sensitive data is limited and controlled. To further refine our understanding, we perform threat modeling exercises. These help us identify and prioritize our assets, vulnerabilities, and threats. It's like mapping out the battlefield before the battle begins. Finally, we use a common framework to perform a more comprehensive audit. This framework provides a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and managing risks. Now it's time to ask questions, lots of them. What is the primary identity management system? What is the identity lifecycle of a user? Do we have a policy about that? How do we keep things up to date? By asking these questions, you're not just being inquisitive, you're being a good analyst. Because in the realm of security, the right questions often lead to the best solutions. So, to summarize, the due diligence process involves breaking down your environment, understanding its architecture and protocols, scanning for vulnerabilities, identifying and examining controls, performing threat modeling, and conducting a comprehensive audit. And remember, always stay curious. Ask those questions, and you'll be well on your way to understanding your environment's security needs.